Sai Ram, I offer my loving pranams at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba and Sadguru Shri Siddheshwar Baba.
Going further with the series of signal videos, in today's video you will get to know about Gurudev's 26th signal. In the previous signal, we get to know how Guruji's consciousness completely dissociated itself from the ego world. But that happened only for few moments. Most oftenly, when consciousness tried to stick to Brahmarandra, it still faced some minor frictions at Brahmarandra, due to which there was no unshakable contact. One day, Guruji instantly realized the reason behind this. The reason was those formations which originate in the early stages of infancy. They are related to the need of fulfillment of hunger, its denial, pain, and desire to take revenge. These four formations are the most early developments in human life and to a great extent determine our behavior later throughout life. Occasionally, it so happens that the mother, due to some reasons like some household duty or any other emergency, have to leave the feeding infant. It leaves the hunger of the infant unfulfilled, which leads to a feeling of denial, and this feeling causes pain. This leads to the origin of the desire to take revenge by rejecting the pain giver in return. And because of the desire to take revenge, conversion of love energy into hate energy occurs. This pattern slowly and steadily gets a strong grip on the mind, which give birth to some behavior patterns which continue in adult life also. The minor friction between the consciousness and Brahmarandra made Guruji immediately realize that these four things still remained in him and he has yet to take full freedom from them. At this realization, he started weeping, both out of joy and pain. The weeping out of pain came due to the disturbing thought that he was still not completely free from his psychic formations even after so many years of efforts. And the weeping out of joy came due to the fact that he felt that complete freedom was near and the end of the journey was becoming more visible. So this was the 26th signal of Guruji. To know about Gurudev's other signals, keep watching upcoming videos. Jai Sai Ram.